Hey,
Oh,
what's up, man? What's up?
what up? See this?
What happened? What happened? Uh,
Crap, I didn't hold. Didn't hold to target and cost me thousands.
hold on, hold on. What'd you do? You went long. You went short.
I was short pre-market.
Uh, all right, I'm looking at this.
Aggressive put. Oh, that's aggressive though. Goodness. Yo, come back.
Baby, come back.
Come back. Come.
Yeah, we're gonna probably just keep going up until we get that gap fill for real.
Willis. Uh,
Yeah, because we got what news at 9 too. What do we got? Yeah, we have ISM new orders, PMI prices paid, all that other stuff. And then after that, we should be free and clear for the day of volatile news. We'll just wait until the elections next week, which should be interesting.
oh, they got stopped at the two.
What is that? 76. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Stop playing around with me, NQ. Stop playing around for you make me take profit.
Hey,
Stop
you
playing around.
what do you got right now? You got a long on or you got a short?
I got a long.
I'm thinking about taking this long, but I kind of want to see confirmation. I see that double bottom at that range. I'm gonna take it, man. I see that double bottom at that range, but I mean, this could be too high right now. It'll probably get a retest at 85 or something like that. Yeah, I'll probably just I'll wait, man. That's too high. I can't do that. Probably set like a limit, like right here.
That's trash.
Mm.
What are
We'll
you
see what they
doing
do.
right now? doing right now in Q? 40 points, 20.
Buy stop and Q.
Buy stop.
Dang. Holy moly, donut shop. Took away all my freaking games in Q. Or
Actually, shit. Yeah, dude, I really don't know what this thing is trying to do right now. It looks like okay, so I'm just gonna go long, man. I'm taking a long. I'm taking a long, man. Put my stop underneath this range. Have a scale in right there.
oh well, never mind. I'm about to say I think it's trying to go down, but
I mean, we got
that's
to.
right in Q.
I mean, we got a double bottom at this range right here. So I'm not saying that it can go down. Obviously, it would just kind of be hard for the bears to do it. Okay, I got my scaling exactly where I want to have it. All right, we'll see what happens here. I mean, we usually get this. This price action before the ISM before 9 o'clock, whenever that comes out. So, depending on how the market feels about that release, like I said, I think that I still think that we go up unless they're trying to rebalance 980, and then after we get a 980 rebalance, and then they try to go up. But I'm thinking that they're going to try to make their way back up and rebalance some in this area and possibly get back up to this range at 380 to 360, at 360 to 380 range.
I'm back. I'm thinking we're back, baby.
Oh man, no, gold. Why did you do that? Why did you do that, gold? Why? No. No. She missed my target. She missed my short. Oh my god, you're so nasty. She missed my short by what is that? 50 cents? 6 cents? She missed my target by 60 cents. All right, so 72. Man, she would have hit my target. Man, oh my god. Ugh. Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever. This was a good short right here, 67. Yeah, so it seems like 10 points on gold, which is really a lot. Like on one contract, 10 points obviously is $1,000, which is a lot for one contract with a little bit of risk. That's what makes trading gold so really that's what makes trading gold so good. I probably have to cut this short because she missed it. So unless gold shorts at 73, then
Oh, come to Target, baby. Come to Target, baby. All gas, no brakes, baby. I'm about to get stopped out. Oh, first target hit on this one. Hey, we back and forth. We back and forth. Come to that. No, don't you keep pushing. Keep pushing.
Hey, hold to like 160.
Come to target.
Hold to 160.
Hold to 160. Hey, I got 140 as my target, but you think 160?
I mean, I don't. I mean, without a pullback, I mean, 140 will probably be if you don't want to endure a pullback. But I think we at least getting to 160.
Don't
Like I
want to
said, I
endure
think we
a
go
pullback.
all the way up, man. I think we going back up to 300. Probably see a rejection at 325 because SPY got a gap to fill. It's gonna fill that gap
Yeah,
before.
320, 325 was that level though.
Mm-hmm. Yep. 325. Yeah, SPY's almost filled that gap. SPY got us all the way until 580 for a clean gap fill, and it's gonna fill that gap before it drops. And we know
Boom.
this.
Second target hit on that. We got a runner. All right, I'm gonna leave that runner there. Boom. Let's do what you do, NQ. Make it do what it do.
Yeah, we're
I'm
definitely trending. ES is
well.
trending.
I'm gonna. Okay, that's fine. I'll take that. That's fine. You said hold to, but I gotta. I don't like seeing profits come off the off the table.
Hey.
So I took it. I don't care. I took it. You can't go wrong taking
Yeah,
profits,
yeah,
man.
yeah.
That's the responsible thing to do. Oh man. Sorry, game Wade. I know. Hey, I was with you. I was with you. Oh, then she. That's okay. It's okay. You can't go wrong taking profits,
Yep.
right? That's what
Mm-hmm.
you have to tell yourself at night as you cry. You cry yourself.
I took profits. And I could have had more.
Is that why does that sound so bad though? You crying because you took profits.
Because it's not about the profits, it's about the targets, baby. It's about the
It's
targets.
about the dang. No. I'm crying. Oh no. You did say, oh, it hit 159. That's crazy. You said hold to 160. But it's about to push that. Dang, Bulls. Y'all are ridiculous out here. Boom, 160. I should have listened to Sherm on that one. Did anybody in the chat catch that? Anybody in the chat catch that? It was a little rough at the beginning. It looked kind of crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Where we at? 3K on this one. And okay, I need to be done. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done. Being greedy is what got me clapped yesterday. Being greedy is what got me clapped yesterday off stream. Nice 160. So what was so special about 160? I know you were talking about that yesterday, but I didn't see anything on my chart. I didn't see anything on my chart significant with 160. Was that a range or something that you had?
If you look at the higher time frame chart, that's where that break of structure happened. Happened at like 160, 165. But this is going to keep going up, like I said. I think this keeps going up until like 300, 325, 380 at the most, but probably 360. Because SPY got a gap to fill. Now, honestly, I'm more surprised. I'm more surprised that we didn't get like a big jump on non-farm. Like I'm surprised we didn't get that.
Yeah, that was pretty weak considering.
So you know what that means.
Hey, what was the numbers? I didn't even look at the numbers.
So let me actually make this until the day.
Fewer jobs than expected.
So the narrative right now with the job market is we needed to see a nasty, nasty number because even like I said, Powell was going to cut next week anyway, regardless. But the market, the way that they're going to interpret it is that, oh, if it's good, then it's good news is bad news because, oh, now Powell doesn't have to. So I think it's not that he won't cut it, it's how much that he will cut it. If we had a bad number this week or today, then a 50 basis point cut would have been on the table. But because we didn't get a nasty number, then the 25 basis point cut is what we should most likely expect for next week. If we get a 50 basis point cut next week, yeah, we flying. Flying. But I don't expect a real reaction. We're going to get the Powell pump, obviously, but it'll be more massive if he surprised the market with a 50 basis point cut. But I mean, by that time we'll know who the president will be. So a lot to take in, a lot to consider. Okay. So I'm thinking that I might add to this. I might add to this at around like 120-ish or something like that. Probably add 3 more contracts to this if I can get it. Yeah, I mean that's good enough. Nah. I gotta stop doing the buy stops and doing the buy limits now. Okay. So is it repay the fee? Is that how you say your name? I know there's a T right there, but is it repay the fee? Okay, so repay the fee. Like I said, I think we go to 320 today. We'll see. We'll see if we get that today. But with this week start, well, we haven't got the 9 o'clock news yet. So depending on how the market reacts to the 9 o'clock news, I think that's probably when we'll get that move. Trey? All right, Trey. Oh, Trey paid. Okay. So that makes sense. Trey paid a fee. Yeah. No, so this is not stocks. We're not trading stocks. We're trading futures. This is the Nasdaq futures right here.
Yes, sir. It's wild. It ain't for the faint of heart.
Nope. You can be up and down 10K in the same second. In the same second. I should have took this in my funded account, but I didn't. I took this in my I'm gonna set a rule that I don't trade my funded account on the weekends on Fridays because I don't want to go into the weekend with my feelings hurt. So that's gonna be a new rule that I implement. No more funded accounts on Friday. At least I have something to look forward to on Monday.
It's a lot of green.
Yep. Did you enter back in?
No. But it's risky. It's hella risky.
Yeah, because that 165 level, I mean, we could see a rejection back down to my break even, possibly, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, let me look at where ES is. Look at my baby gold. Man, gold looks like it's in a that looks like it's in an uptrend with gold. Like we'll see a breakout with gold. And then we'll see if the bears can hold off this level right here. I'm gonna still go short. I'm gonna hold my short where it was at, even though she missed me by 6 cents or 60 cents or 6 cents, my bad. Because maybe we can get a double bottom here at 27.53 and they might come back up and break out with gold. Let's see. Yeah, ES is trending. Okay, so I wouldn't short Nasdaq and hold it because ES is trending. ES is definitely trending up.
For sure. Yes, powerhouse in this relationship.
ES taking control now. ES says, yeah.
Just keep buying.
I hope you ain't short.
Buying.
I hope you're not short. Because you better close that damn thing. Oh, are you sure?
Yeah.
Dude, close it. Like, dude, ES is trending. You better close that shit.
No.
No. I'm sure. Dude. I mean, if the Bears don't hold this double top, bro, I mean, you know what it is, but ES is trending. And you know it can get nasty on the Nasdaq. You know this. You know it gets nasty on the Nasdaq too.
It's
I got my first target hit. We're gonna be working on that second one.
Top stop. Double top stop.
All right, bro. Okay.
Double top stop. Double top stop. Double top drop. Oh.
Okay. So we now runner contract. We got all but one of our contracts hit. We up like 80 points in this. I wish I was able to scale into this. That'd have been nice to scale into this. So now that we got those, I mean, we could see, okay, so, all right, so we could see a drop here. We could see a drop. We could.
That's all I want. That's all I want.
And we could see a drop down to 85. We could. But VWAP's at 100 and 200, and the 200 EMA is at 100 too.
Yeah. That's all I want.
But E is still trending.
It's a little drop. I'm not asking for much, Bears. Just a little drop. Just a little pin drop. A little quick flash crash, you know? I'm not asking for much. I don't ask for a lot. Just a flash crash.
You know what, man? Nah, ES is trending. I'm not playing that game. I'm not playing that game.
He said no. No. Ah, you bastard.
All right, we got 5 minutes to the algo. We got 5 minutes.
That thing got to take off. Golly.
You know, it's historically bullish. We know this.
Yes. I need your help right now. I need your help. Your help, BS. You take control. Dang it. Well, it was right there. All you had to do was go for it. Shouldn't have shorted this bullishness. Looking for a quick few points.
Mm-hmm.
Double top drop, please.
Oh,
Top drop.
okay, so let's look at the fibs. Let's look at the fibs. Bro, I don't know, man. I don't know.
Everything pointing up. I know everything pointing up.
No, well, I guess what I was saying is we could see a move all the way up to 200, and then we could possibly get a drop there because that's a 23%. It's 200. And then that golden zone, that golden zone is at 250. Yep. Yeah. 250 is, yeah, okay. Yeah, we could see
250. Yeah, they want 250, 225.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's exactly where we probably might see a drop. Not a reversal, but a drop. And then I think we get the reversal around 325. If we get that today or next week. But I mean, if we get a break above 380, then we're going back up to 700 for sure. If we get a break above 380, we're going to 700. That's for sure. Well, shit, honestly, if we break above 380, we going to all-time highs. That's no question. We're going to all-time highs. The market will be making its way to all-time highs.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, we're definitely going to all-time highs. I think so if we get that rotation above 380, we going to 900. That's for sure. We're going to 900 for sure. Before we see a drop back down. And then after 900, that rotation back up, we're going for all-time highs. And I wish I was able to get into this damn thing with scale into it. All right, so all right, we got 2 minutes to the algo. If you're short, reconsider your short. It's historically bullish. Reconsider it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to probably just sit back and actually think about that probably over the weekend.
Dude, we got like 40 seconds. Push it. No. Algo, come back in my favor.
15 seconds.
Damn, it's about to go crazy.
The clapping is going to commence in less than 5.
The clapping. Oh, God. No. Whoa. Oh, what?
Okay. I'm going to probably add to this.
Holy crap. What the heck is going on with that? All right.
Actually, let's look at.
Have liquidity at 7.
Nah, I told myself I'm gonna stop doing this. This needs to find support before I add on to it. I'm breaking my bad habits. All right, so we got ISM that came out. So we got the employment index. It came out above the consensus, but it's still under 50%. So that's still contraction. New index orders came out above, but it's still under 50%. So manufacturing PMI, those are the producers that came in under, and the prices paid, they came in above in its expansion. So I don't know how the market is going to look at that. I mean, like I said, the narrative isn't are we going to get a rate cut anymore, is how big of a rate cut are we going to get? That's the new narrative of the market. So again, we don't have to understand the news. We just have to trade the reaction. Dude, you might get your short here. You may get your short. Where you got your target?
I'm praying for.
Where
That's what I'm praying for. 130.
You should get that here, dude.
I'll take VWAP would be nice, but I'm not banking on that. Dude. Just go.
Let me look at ES real quick. Ah, shit, bro. And get out of that, man. ES is super trending, man. Or don't get out, but put your stop in a. Okay, so where should you put your stop? Let me do that for you. Because I know those types of decisions are hard under pressure. I mean, if it goes, it depends on how much you want to hold it for, dude. I mean, the safest bet is 205, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that will just be devastating. You should get a short here.
That's a clapping. Yeah, that's a clapping. And yeah.
You should get it. Yeah, if they don't buy it, so the trend indicator is saying that they'll possibly buy it at 50. So if they break 50, we'll go back down into this range at 30.
Open for survive. You gotta survive.
Cool.
Got to survive. Ooh wee. Come on, y'all. I should, after all of that, I should accept break even. I should. Good.
We all know what's gonna happen though. I don't want break even. I want my target, baby. But yeah.
Break.
And be careful at the top of this range if you ain't gonna take profits. Be careful, dude.
That break even. I should.
Just be careful at the top of this range, dude.
Be so kind and cute. Man, it keeps bouncing at 36.
Mm-hmm. Just be careful
at 9 EMA. Give me the 21, baby. Give me the 21. I'll love you forever if you give me the 21. Give me the 21. 34 points. I'm feeling good. Feeling okay. I'm not good, but okay. Okay. Give me the 21. Give me the 21, baby. You can do it.
Let's see how this candle closes.
Hey, buying it right now. Buying it.
Yeah. Mm.
Reject,
Yeah.
reject, reject, reject. Oh, I should have took that. 225. They gave me my out.
You ain't take it?
I'm back. Buying again. They go. Buying again. Hey, help a brother out. What? What was that? That was 32.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm tripping because, I mean, you gotta remember that that's exactly what you did. Exactly what you did. I mean, the Bears could, the Bulls could be trying to get like a VWAP test. They could do it.
Gosh, that was my out, and I didn't take it. That was my out. Times it 905.
Mm.
Dang, they bought that mess right back up. Couldn't even hit the 21.
I guess I should have took that add in. Yeah, this shit's probably going to, so this is probably going to 250 for sure then. Then we'll probably see like a move back down to 200 or something, and then we'll see. Let's see how far SPY is in filling that gap, because that's what I'm keeping my eye on. SPY is almost it's halfway there. It needs to get to 80, and it's at 73 cents.
Damn, 50 points. 50 freaking points. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, what's up, Ivan?
Damn. I had my out, and then they, All right, 635.
Oh shit, I keep forgetting about that.
Okay.
All right, so let's see if they find support here at 65. I'll probably try to scale in here. Probably try to scale in right there. We'll see if they'll hold it. ES is still trending. Don't short it. ES is still trending. Let me look at ES real quick. Let me look at my baby gold. Gold, why do you keep hurting me?
25, 250. Okay. Well, I mean the ES did kind of touch some prior resistance. We could see a pullback on the ES, but then at the same time, this thing can just keep going. But ES is hitting resistance right now. It's going to be up to the bears to hold, but we probably ain't going to get that hold. This can probably go back up to 793, 795 on ES. 793, 795. I wouldn't short it until you see some confirmation somewhere in that area, because it can definitely get there. Oh shit. Let me see if I can. So let me see. I'm gonna try to buy. I'm gonna buy 3 more here. I'm definitely using. Shit. I can't. That's too fucking high. Let's see if I can kind of get back. Let's see if it'll kind of fill me right here. I'm sticking to my word. I'm sticking to my word. I'm not chasing the Nasdaq. I'm gonna wait for it to come back to me. Where are you trying to come? Where are you trying to get in at?
At 165, where we got that where the bears try to come in and short it and where they're bouncing it at. I was looking at the ES when it was doing it, so I missed it. I mean, it's highly unlikely. I mean, we could see a drop to I mean, we did get price to rotate back into this range. You know what, man? That might be too high. We'll see what happens right here. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Because they might, because they got it up here. They bought it at the top of this range. They took it into this range, and this shit might still be going. That's what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna add one more in here. I'm gonna add one more. Nah, that's too high. Dude, stop chasing her.
Chasing. Now I want to chase too, but
Okay, so that's like a low key double top right there, but I think that was probably the trick bears into thinking that's a double top. That's a double top. And we are at that 23%. So price needs to find support above it and hold this 23% to keep going to 250. If it don't hold, then the price is gonna fold. It don't hold, price is gonna fold, baby.
all right, let's just dude, should have held to Prince. So 9 o'clock, we had a 34-point drop. Still, she pumps.
And
And
she
220s
pumping.
right there. Like, man, I should have chased. Dang it.
I should have got into, man. Now I'm crying. See, every time when you don't chase, that's when she want to keep going. Like, god damn. Well, I mean,
I know. It's too late now. It's too
yeah,
late.
it's too late, bro. I mean, 250
Gotta
might be
wait for
that level right there. 250 might be it. I got all my pullback scalings, and she ain't never touched them. Ah, damn that. Nasdaq, you can be nasty. SPY is almost there. I mean, we could see a rejection on SPY at 575, but it's filling that gap for sure. It's filling that gap. There's no way that it's not. It doesn't have to do it today, but it's filling that gap. Yep, look, ES still going. ES still going. And this is an area where, okay, if you're trying to short it, look for confirmation because you'll definitely be getting in the way of this bullish trend. And honestly, I think majority of this is bears being forced to buy themselves out of their positions. So I think this is probably a squeeze, not necessarily real bulls buying it.
I would short at 800.
800 with the ES. I mean, if they don't hold 800, this thing is going to squeeze back up to 808. And yeah, 806, 808. Yeah, I can see those as areas as if they don't hold 800. Damn it. It has some more money. But I'm up 125 points.
Stuff. See, is it gonna bust through all of that? I feel like this is it. Even if it does get up there, I feel like it taps into that liquidity and then drops.
Okay.
Typical Nasdaq fashion.
Well.
Oh.
The ES is trending and the Nasdaq is trending. I don't think we're going to get a drop. And if we do get a drop, it's going to get bought right up because shit, think about it from the other person's perspective. You seeing this thing fly up and you're trying to scale in at every pivot point. People are all thinking the same thing. Okay, so let's see what happens at 250. Man, I wasn't able to scale into this damn thing.
Are reckless right now. Complete. Yeah, 233.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see.
Okay. What are we doing here? This is where my thing was.
Yeah, Ivan, I'm actually thinking the same thing, that 325 might actually be the top today. And then we'll see that reversal. I'm thinking the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, I got the SPY chart in my other window and I'm looking at it like a hawk right now. I mean, like we could see a drop. Like, yeah, we definitely could see like them drop it a little bit. But I think the market's objective today is to get to 380. Fill that gap. Yeah, that's interesting that. Oh, hey, if y'all bought Nvidia calls with me, that shit about to be in the money, baby. Them Nvidia calls about to be in the money. I think I got $3 more for Nvidia for my calls to be in the money. Yep.
You went with the Nvidia.
I bought 390 calls. I bought 4. No, hold on, I got 4 of these. Yeah, I got 4. So we'll see what happens. They about to get in the money. The premium is kind of light on these, man. I'm not gonna lie, the premium is light. I think I bought this for $6, so it's up 50%, but I thought it would be kind of more than that, honestly. I mean, I'm only, like I said, I'm only up 50%. This is why I don't like options, man. That's kind of stupid. That's why I don't like options. Because how the hell are my calls almost in the money? Well. Yeah, I guess maybe because I bought them. Well, whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. So I mean, I'm up 50%, but I don't like that. I ain't really made no money on it for real. I'm up on my Amazon calls. I got. I mean, it's not that much, but not that much because I guess I thought non-farm payroll. Man, I mean, well, these gonna probably expire. Worthless. Never mind. Yeah. Like honestly, I thought that the market would be more volatile today. Like, why is it? I thought it would be more volatile today.
What you mean? What you mean?
I mean, yeah, we
Is
getting
volatile enough for you?
no. This is a stop run, bro. This is a stop run. I mean, these are bears buying their way out of the position as it goes up. You know what I'm talking about when where price is just running. I mean, it's trending, but it's slow right now. Well, Yeah, that's why I don't fuck with options for real. They suck with that time decay.
Yeah. Time is it? 20.
It's like 9:30, 9:20. All right, man. All right, so we touched 250, 245. What does it do here? Do we see a pullback or do we see price continue to trend? I mean, if you see a pullback back into this range, I'm buying it. If you see a pullback back to 200, I'm pretty sure people's going to be buying it at 200. Yeah, I mean, Bookmap don't look like the bears are even here anymore. It looks like the bears are trying to sell it, but they're just getting turned around and clapped. So again, I would not try to short this. This R Pharrell says $300 on Tesla incoming. Let's look at Tesla. Yeah, why is this stuff? Dude, this thing looks stuck at. Dang. Yeah, Tesla is definitely not what it used to be, man. This thing underperforms. The market is going up, and Tesla's, for whatever reason, is going down. On the 15-minute, this candle right here is seeing red. I mean, unless we see like a move. Ah, shit! Look at that, man. Man, god damn. All right, man. I'm just gonna have this target at 320, man. I'm gonna have it at 311. She's not giving me an opportunity to get like a cool scale in right here. She's not giving me an opportunity. I know my boy Smith is over there shorting. I know he is. I know my boy is shorting this right now. You're not?
No. Son. Okay, so that was that. I'm just clearing out 250.
Nah, we need a double top confirmation first. A double top, because this thing is still trending. If ES still trending, ES hasn't even formed a double top yet. And ES will form the double top, so you don't even have to even worry about that shit. She don't just drop out of nowhere. She gonna form that double top first. Mm. Mm. Oh my God, gold. Why did you do? Man. All right. All right. So, damn, she literally missed me by 60 cents. 6 cents. Mm. Okay, so right now, in my swing account, I'm up $2,500 in my swing account. So what I'm gonna do is actually take off probably You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take definitely some of this off on the ES and probably leave one to run on the ES. Probably take majority of this off. So I don't trust her. Take a partial close of this and leave one to run. All right, so I paid myself with ES today. Let me pay myself with Nasdaq. Probably take 2 off of this on the Nasdaq.
Oh,
All right. So let's see if this thing keeps on going.
said 320, 311. Oh yeah. I forgot about. Dang, 300s already. Man, yo, that just slipped my mind. We're in close to the 300s already.
Yeah.
Like, that's just wild. Nah, I don't think we get the dump, Mahi.
Nah,
I
we're
don't
not
think
dumping.
we get the dump.
Nope. Not dumping.
Yeah, there's two.
Nah, we're not dumping, dude. I mean, in bullish markets like this, when it's going up, I mean, first look at the ES. If the ES ain't formed the double top, then you really can't go short on the Nasdaq if the ES ain't doing it. And you have to wait for confirmation to get in front of a bullish trend like this because, like I said, I'm up and I'm trying to scale into this. So if I'm doing it, that means every other market participant that's in this green is going to try to scale into every pullback. They're going to buy this shit. So if you
Well,
took,
ES is coming up on a crucial part, approaching 800.
yeah, I
I
see
want to
that.
see what they see if they do there. Oh wow. Yes, lead the way. The way. 56 again. Don't like that.
I'll be giving up $600 if I don't take this. No.
No.
Man,
Yes.
they're gonna probably get to like the 95, bro. Like, I'm tripping if I don't think they're gonna do that. All right, so let me see.
ES rejects at 800.
Nah, that'd be too easy. Everybody's gonna be shorting that shit at 800. Everybody's gonna be shorting 800.
Too easy.
That's too easy. That's hella too easy. Can we get the 290? I'm gonna put this at 285. Put this at 285 to take target at 285.
7, bro. 87. 87.
Huh?
See at 87. 87.
Nah, they getting a 300. Nah, I'm tripping, man. They getting a 300, dude. But I don't trust her, so I'm gonna front run that shit. I'm gonna front run it. Okay. So I love this swing account. If you don't got you a swing account, man, you missing out. You missing out if you don't got a swing account. You missing out if you don't got a swing account. Okay. All right, so let me look at ES real quick and see where this thing can really go to. So yeah, like 806, 806, 805 on the ES.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it. Damn, this freaking glare on my screen is driving me nuts. Let's go. Our comeback story. Oh, hey, chill out. hey, easy there. Relax.
All right,
Relax. All right.
look at SPY.
Put some some put half just in case.
Hey, SPY is halfway there, people. SPY is halfway there. All she needs is $5 more.
I wanted some calls so bad. Where's Spy sitting at? Stupid
75.
thing wouldn't let me buy any calls. They let you buy stocks, but not options. I was like, yo, you gotta be kidding me. Got to be kidding right now.
Yeah, I just hope Maui, hopefully you got out of that short. Cause this thing's still trucking. Hopefully you got out.
Oh, in the top.
Bro, you definitely buying the top, bro. You definitely buying it.
I know.
This thing's gonna probably pull back to the
Don't care.
21 at 250. You can possibly see a pullback at 250. Yeah, 250. Probably 230 for real. I mean, unless they're trying to trap bulls, trying to fill that gap on SPY. Hopefully they ain't trying to do that and be nasty. Hopefully.
Guarded. We're buying.
You know, I'm gonna add one more to this, man. Nah, dude, stop chasing. Dang. Stop chasing her. Oh, you can't do that shit. You can't chase.
It's enticing, isn't it?
I know, dude.
Like, no. It's like, no, I'm right here. Chase me. Chase me.
That's where the Nasdaq has
I'm
all her
only
power.
going up. I'm only going up. Chase me.
You know you want it.
You
I
know
hate
you
gold.
want this.
I hate you, gold.
20. You know, 320 does seem good.
Gold, why did you do that? So, why did you do that? Why did you short my target? Why? So, I don't know why it did that. I don't know. I mean, let me see. So, 728, 728. Even if I had it at 728, it would have missed my target by 4 points. Or by 4 points instead of 6. Hmm. Okay. So with gold, I'm gonna try. Well, we'll see because I think, man, that's kind of hard to. That's kind of hard because that could be the second leg down for a double bottom at 727.41, or if they can actually double bottom it and we can see a move back up at 27.54. 27.54, like probably like right here at the lower day with gold. Man, it would have been nice to have been in a short with gold, man. All right, so 72. I would have got my 10 points hit. Yeah, I would have got my 10-point target hit on gold. But I probably would have targeted this low right here. Put my stop right above where it's 10 at. Yeah. Okay. Dude, I don't know how the hell my Nvidia calls are sucking right now. What's going on?
What? Oh, you're supposed to. What was your target? Your strike was 138.
Yeah, like, dude, what's going on? Dude, this is Nvidia we're talking about. What the hell's going on? Yeah, this thing is at
Yeah.
137. I
Right.
should at least, like, dude, I should at least have more premium in my calls than what I got. That's kind of why I hate options, man. Mind you, we bought at the bottom. We bought at the bottom of the move yesterday with Nvidia. And my calls are not even, they're not even good. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. This is Nvidia we talking about though. Why the hell is Nvidia's premium so weak? Like it's like Nvidia's premium is only covering at the money and $1 above and $1 below, and that's it. It's not covering anything else. But I'm still, I mean, I'm up 30% now. I was up 50% for whatever reason when it was moving. But you know, with options, when the implied volatility goes down, obviously the premium goes down. So I was up 50, but now I'm up 30. I'm still positive. I bought these calls for $6. So still positive on these calls, but it would be nice if both of them or all of them would be $60 and I can be happy about that. Because it seems like the premium at the money is at $60 right now on Nvidia. Okay, so let's see if they'll hold this. If they'll hold this, we're going to 3. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, let's see if they hold. If they hold, I'm adding. Oh yeah, this might be a buying opportunity on the ES. Nah, bro, that's going down. That's going down, bro. That's going down. It's gonna come back and test this range right here. It's coming back into that range. It's coming back into that range for sure. Ugh. I mean, shit. It doesn't get no clearer than that. Excuse me. It doesn't get no cleaner than that. 217 will be at the top of this range. 206 will be right here.
Good enough. Right there. Good enough. Y'all can turn around now. Turn it back around. That's good enough.
This might go to 206. We could see a bounce at 17, but this could go to 206. 205, 206. Or the EMA's at.
Don't want to hear your bearish thesis right now. Opportunity. Bulls. Oh, this is Sparta. Hold the line. Hey, we give them that fake shimmy, that Steph Curry shimmy. Like our EMAs are crossing. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah,
No.
that's it.
Like I said, we can go to 206 and get, and we'll see the nah, we're not doing that. Not gonna do that. We're gonna fill my damn target. Or my scaling.
Effed up. I effed up. Effed up. Big time. Dang. All right. Pardon me for 1 second. I'm about to revenge. It's the only way we gotta do it.
Oh shit, you know what? Okay, I might have scaled in too early on this one. I just saw what I just did. I may have scaled in too early. This thing can go to 80, 90. Forgot. This thing can go to 80, 90, where the 200 EMA is.
Look at that candle. My goodness.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like I said, I should have waited for the. Should have waited on
what
that.
did ES get to? See, an 800 short at ES would have been beautiful. Look at that. He only took 3 points in drawdown. Eesh.
What is ES doing? Dude, I got to, man. I got to. Ah, damn it, please. Please. Where is it at? I got to. I got to take the chance on this. I want to get in at 81, but I want to get in at 81. Damn it. Damn, dude, it's too high. It's too high. I miss it on ES. No. ES, please. Come back. ES, please. Please come back.
Some spy calls though, if we would have purchased those
Please, but ES. Please come back. Come back. Please come back. He said if I purchased, dude, I did purchase the spy calls and they're sucking right now.
not hitting?
No, because
Really?
I do like dude.
Well, right now. What about earlier?
No, like dude, no, like the premium, but out of the money, the premiums suck. I thought that we was in order for those calls to be good, the implied volatility would have to increase. ES. I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Okay.
You do me so dirty.
I gotta take this. The question is it going to come all the way back down to the 200 EMA? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, so I'm in it. No.
Oh, best. Like what?
Someone please call 911. All right, so I'm in at 79. Okay. Let's see if they'll hold this. So what are you talking about? If you're talking about the support and resistance, if you have the lifetime license, you can just change the color to whatever you want. And so I'm using the volume profile. I'm using the volume. Oh, where is it at? I'm using the order flow volume. No, that's VWAP. Order flow volume profile. And you can change the color to whatever you want to change it with these right here. Man, these bulls better buy this damn thing up, man.
There was my short I was looking for.
Hold on, is Nasdaq still going down? Oh no, it should be. We should see the pump. It's just that the bulls. Yeah, Ivan, I think so too. Because I mean, this is an area of support on the ES. The bears ain't gonna just knock this damn thing down like that. They're not gonna do it. I just couldn't let this opportunity pass me by. I told myself I wouldn't trade my funded account on Friday, but I can't let this opportunity pass me. This is a good, decent long, nice pullback in a good area. Good thing I didn't chase her because my feelings would have been hurt. And I'm probably going to take the 10 points, or at least I should take it, right? We'll see what happens. Perfect entry, baby. That's why we don't chase. We get them good entries when we just buy at supply. We buy at support and we take it at resistance. But this is my funded account, so I have to follow a consistency rule. All right.
Like it.
Ah, come on, ES.
Like it. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sitting here conflicted. She goes and does that.
Why can't we not get the price action that all the bulls got in the morning? No, don't do this. Don't do this. Ah. Man, it's always in the funded account when the market wants to just play with your emotions, dude. They just know. He's like, oh, we got him. He's in the funded account. Let's make him think that he's wrong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
We got him.
We got him. Yeah.
No, that's not a real rule, man. I can't do that. It's a good thing to live by, but nah, that's fear talking. Trying to pick and choose what day you trade. You see the setup, you take the setup. That's fear. You see the setup, you take the setup.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them.
All right, Bulls. All right, man.
It's like 47-ish. Got him.
What I don't want, I'll move my stop up if I see it, but I don't want price to trade underneath this low right here if we get it. I don't want that to happen because I'll be super wrong.
You come and take these tears away.
Come on, Bulls. Fight. 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 Come on, Bulls. Fight. Fight.
Fight. Fight. Fight. Fight. Fight. What the heck am I doing about that on here?
Says Dak Sex. You want to go long 70-ish? Well, I would say this. If it goes underneath this low, then this shit is done. Honestly, the Bulls should have held it right here. I mean, they're holding it. The Bulls should hold it right here. Because if the Bulls don't hold it, that means price is going to be under the 200 EMA, and the ES just doesn't play that. She don't play going long when price is below it. So if the Bulls don't hold this, then we may get a bounce at 70, but I don't think we get like a bounce, probably like a bounce to rebalance. See, there we go. There's our long. Okay, there's our long. Keep going. They had to hold this area because if they didn't, then I don't think 70 would have held. Hmm. You said mother bar inside bar on 4 hour. Let's look at that. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, because honestly, I don't even look past the 1 hour, honestly. But let's look at that. All right, so this is the 4 hour on. Uh, put this on the 240 minute. Okay, this 240. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I should get my target hit, man. I'm tripping. Man, that shit should hit. And then you said you wanted to go at 270. Yeah, at the top of that little candle right there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can see that. That's what we talking about, baby. That's what we talking about.
There you go.
What we talking about right there, baby. We
Ladies
trade the
and gentlemen,
charts.
you got them.
Hold on. You short? Okay, man.
Yeah.
All right. Dude, why'd you go short?
Okay. I don't know. I was chasing. Got him.
All right, that's fine. Hey, I got my consistency rule. That's fine. The ES can do whatever it wants. I got my consistency rule. I'm good. And that was in the funded, baby. I think that's my 4th day. I think I got one more day. Let me actually look at this shit before I start celebrating. I think I got one more day. Then that payout coming. That payout coming. That's gonna be my 4th payout with MFF. But I hate trading this way because it's gonna hit my target. I hate trading that way. I hate trading that way. Ah. Let me see that's and look at that shit hit my target. Damn it. Look at that shit hit my target. Mm. That shit hit my target, dude.
Sure. 40 points.
Hold on. What account is this? 76?
Potential 40 something.
So hold on. I think I just got a payout. That's actually my 5th day. This is actually my 5th day. But I could have sworn I took we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Because I know I took a loss one day. But for some reason, it's not showing up on my calendar. It's not showing up on my calendar. We'll see, though. So I know I took a loss.
On MFF?
Yeah, I know I took a loss. But if shit, man, if they give me the payout, shit, I'm gonna take it. It's my 5th day, baby. I'm gonna take it. If they give me the damn payout. Oh, okay, there it is. I was like, dude, I know I had a 1 loss in this damn thing, yo. I was like, I know I had 1 loss. Okay, let me do the math on. Let me do this, man. Let me do this. Let me do this, man. Okay. Yeah, that loss is gonna. I had to probably come back in on Monday or something. I had to probably come back in on Monday and get one more day. Nah, I gotta keep trading in this. Unfortunately, I gotta keep trading. I gotta keep trading. I gotta keep trading in this. So it's all right, man. That's why when in these accounts you have to accept your loss. You have to accept it. No matter how emotional you get, you have to accept your loss, because if you don't, well, now I gotta trade 2 more days because of it, because I couldn't close the account. So with this funded account, it's 1 trade per day. Win or lose, I have to come back tomorrow. I can't come back and try to get my money back if I lose in the trade. So um yeah. So actually, so with today, I have 2 more days. I have 2 more days right now because of that loss. Now, if I didn't, the crazy thing about that loss that day was, because I remember it, is I was up. The only reason why I went tilt is because I wanted more, and I think the ES missed my target and dropped. So I scaled into it and hit daily loss limit. That's something. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We just have to trade 2 more days, man. That's it. We have to trade 2 more days. Or no, 3 more days. I gotta trade 3 more days. I gotta trade 3 more days. It's fine. We'll get it. We'll get it. All we gotta do is take the decent trades at areas of support. Look at my target getting hit, but I had to meet the consistency rule, so which sucks and I hate it. I hate that. Like, dude, I hate that so much. I hate that.
Oh, that's MFF.
Yeah, I hate that shit so fucking much. Because I want my targets. I don't want the profits. I want my goddamn targets, man. All right. So my scale then was successful. And so I'm back up in this. Hmm.
40. Orders sitting at 400.
Oh shit. No. Let me take some of this off. I'm gonna take some of this off right here, because they actually could come back in and drop it. It looks like that looks like a breaker structure to the downside, and the bears are gonna try to come back in and sell this shit right down. So I'm gonna take some of this off. I'm gonna move my stop up in the profit a little bit. Take this off. We'll see if they try to come back and try to sell it at 45. We'll see. But if we can get a break above 45 and they find support, I'm adding to this shit. I'm adding.
Yes, lead the way.
Now the ES might come back and sell it at 96, 95. We could see them, like the bears, try to come in and sell it. ES has already found support at its neckline. So, I mean, I wouldn't recommend it, but along at, well, it already happened, but along at 788, back up into this area of resistance, I'm thinking that the bulls that bought here are going to take their profits at this top of this range. And the bears are going to, the bears that sold it right here, their remaining orders are going to be right here. So as price comes back into this range on the ES, if you're long, I would consider taking profits. All right, so let's look at the Nasdaq chart. Yeah, the Nasdaq is coming back up into that golden zone at 50. I'm still thinking 45, but we may see it like a little small rejection right here. We could right here. So I'm actually going to probably just move this up just a little bit right here. Take a small. Hey, what's up, EJ Trades? What's up, man? Hopefully he was able to get some of this too. Yeah, look at they're shorting that 45. Yeah, we trust the charts.
First
We'll definitely get paid, man. We trust the charts. Mm. Let's see if they hold the top of this range at the 50 EMA at 217. Let's see if they hold that. Oh shit, what's up, Mohammed? I just looked at your chat. What's up, Mohammed? It's been a while.
Been a long time. But you
Without a dope beat.
too.
And Mohammed, I definitely agree with what you just said because I got my 490 calls, but I got 480 calls. And either these shit gonna hit or they're gonna go bust. We'll see what happens in the second half of the second half of today. We'll see what happens. Kind of well, I learned my lesson not to buy options on Friday. I learned my lesson. I'm doing all right, Mohammed. Good to see you, man. All right, so if you shorten this, just be mindful that the bulls are trying to buy it at the 50 EMA. They're trying to buy it at the top of this range, and if they can get a strong close above this 21 EMA, you're going to see some more buying. Three, 6, or 9. Yeah, it definitely was, man. Definitely was, Mohammed. Like every time I see when price is trading in one direction, yeah. Is that what you were saying, something?
I was about to say I don't even remember what happened yesterday, but then I thought about it after the stream. I'm like, yeah, I do. They freaking could not break 20K.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So they bought at the top of this range. So we should see price find support above. I mean, if they can break through 245, we can find support above it. I mean, the bears got to hold 245. They have to. If they don't, then they're going to get their cheeks clapped. They got to hold this area right here. They got to hold it. And the bulls got to hold this line right here at 215, 213. Because if price gets below that, if they can get below that and then the bears find support or find resistance here, then we can see a move back down to 165 and further if the bulls fail to hold. But for right now, the momentum, the structure, the support is all bullish. So I wouldn't be shorting this unless you're scalping. And I just looked at the ES chart. The ES chart is somewhat in the same situation. Now, if the bulls If the bears don't hold a potential double top here, and price needs to break below 788, so we need to see a big nasty red candle to the downside. We need to see price come right back in. The bears need to hold this right here, and then we can get that move back down, and then possibly we can see that move. That's what the bears need to do to be successful here. If we don't see that, if we see price come back up into this range right here, well, just don't be, we see it come back into this range. Honestly, price might just honestly just be coming back into this range. And then we'll probably see bears shorting it right here. Probably at 790, what is it? 798, 798, about 796, 797. So somewhere in this little small range, if the bears don't hold it, they don't hold it right here, somewhere in this area. Because technically right now, that 803 is a strong high on the ES. It's strong. So the bulls are going to have to break. They're going to need to find support in this range to break that high. And then the last line of defense for the bears is a double top at 803. That's the last line of defense for them. And if the bears have to be doing all that fighting, then you're on the wrong side of the market. You might as well just be going long. If the bears got to do all that fighting to be successful. So let's see what happens here. It's a potential double top here on the ES, potential. We just need to see a nasty red candle like that. If we don't see that, then we shouldn't even be thinking about a short.
Looks like it's about to break out to the upside.
Yeah.
Yep. I am just in collapse city, chasing, in that chase state.
Are you? No, I don't think you chasing, man. I think you're revenge trading because I was doing that all this week, and you're showing the same exact signs that I was doing earlier this week.
Got the same symptoms.
Yeah, dude, you're revenge trading, dude. I mean, dude, it's understandable. You're revenge trading because of what the market did to you. So now you're shorting it, even though you're not supposed to be, because you wanted that short yesterday. The same thing I did in gold, because she took that short away from me. I was just shorting her to get my revenge on her. Yeah. Just use my mistake as an example. I blew through 600 accounts trying to short gold, trying to get revenge on her, and she took all that away from me. She took it all away from me. I took it away from myself, really. I took it away from myself. But just wanted to point that out, brother.
Yeah, no. Yep. For running up 40 points like that, for us the potential double top anymore. So like they're just gonna blast it and take it higher.
And this is why I hate the consistency rule. I mean, yeah, I bet would have got my target hit, but man, shit, I would have had my real target up here. I'm still in my swing account though. I'm still in this long in my swing account. I'm about $700 away from passing that account. I'll just take that into the week because I'm not supposed to be trading anything but gold on that damn thing, but I still do it anyway.
This would be a beautiful double top though on NQ. But
yeah, if it's beautiful on NQ, you know it's a trap.
I just feel like the sell rotation is over.
Yeah.
Like this is the buyer's time right now.
Yeah, it's obviously the market's trying to get somewhere, and I'm thinking that it's trying to get to 300. 325. I think 325 Okay, so I mean, I guess it could possibly get to like 45 maybe, because everybody's going to be shorting 25, so we could see a little short squeeze up to the 23%. But I mean, this is a potential double top opportunity, but man, these EMAs are too bullish. I'm gonna buy two more. I'm gonna buy two more in this area right here. Buy limit. And I just put my stop into profits. I just put my stop in the profits. I probably need to put this probably at the. We'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. Probably need to put my stop like right here. No, so no, this is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. I'll have two right here so I don't miss it. And then I'll just have one. I'll probably have like one right there too. And then I'll probably just keep my stop back where it was at. Because I mean, this is a double top. So I am kind of tripping, but we are in a bullish trend as well. So they might just buy this. They might just keep buying.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I see the double top, but yeah, let's see. Let's see who wants it more. Everybody knows it's a double top.
Yep. Let's see who wants it more. This is people taking profits. Taking profits at the double
All
top.
right. I'm just gonna take my L. I'm gonna take my L's and regroup and come back Monday.
No.
My L's.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yep. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hop over into your stream. Just commentate what I see, because yeah, clap city today. The clapping. Clapping. All right, y'all. Ignored the double top and be ignoring structure like that.
Yeah.
But of course, it seemed like I feel like they're gonna take it eventually. But
That's not even fair, NQ. I did what I was supposed to do. I did what I was supposed to do. That's not even fair. Yo, that's not even fair, dude. That's not even
what
fair.
did you do?
That's not even fair. She tapped my limit and didn't even feel it. That's not even fair, dude. She literally tapped it, dude. Like, what? She tapped that damn thing and didn't even feel it. She tapped it, didn't feel it. Ah, man. Ah, man.
Whoa.
I'm doing all right, Mohammed. Shoot, since the last time we spoke, I definitely gotten better. Definitely started trusting the structure a little bit more. Definitely started paying attention to the context of the market versus how I feel about the market. This week, for whatever reason, I started trading gold, and gold she's been hurting me. It's when I wasn't caring about gold and I was just waiting for the setup on gold, I was 100% in all my trades with gold. Ever since I started revenge trading her, I've been racking up the losses with gold. Okay. So let's see. The Nasdaq definitely has to hold this. But I now see why people are addicted to trading gold. That's what we talking about, baby. All we have to do is set the targets, set the limits, let the market come to you, and then she'll go to where she needs, where you want her to go at. Thanks, Mohammed. I appreciate that. Yeah, I take this very seriously. Take it very seriously, man. I take what I want to do, what me and my trading partner want to do with our channels very seriously.
All right. Yep. Yep. Okay.
Go ahead, Mohammed. We're listening. We are listening. All right, so let's see if this is going to break out. Because shit, the Bears weren't able to get this. They weren't able to knock this thing down at a double top. So that tells you only one thing. That we might see another move down right here, but they may find support at 245 the next time price comes into this. And if they do, we're going to 325 for sure. 300, 325, we're going there. But I do want to point something out on SPY that it is very concerning right now. It is very concerning on SPY. I think the market makers are trying to trap these bulls because they know they're trying to get that gap fill. They know they're trying to get it.
Mm-hmm.
And this is looking like a double top right here on SPY. So either this is going to drop back to the 200 EMA at 73, or we're going to squeeze and we're going to fill that gap. And then it's probably not going to be a full gap fill because the 50 EMA is right here at 78. So, let's look at the daily chart real quick and make sure that we ain't tripping. Yeah, so on the daily chart, that's where everybody is selling it. They're selling at the 21 EMA on the daily chart. And for whatever reason, TradingView likes to, like if you was looking at the, oh no, never mind. I take that back. That was my mistake. This thing looked like it filled the gap with the wick. This little fair value gap box right here. But the gap is still on the daily chart. I know Top Step Egg does that. It'll fill a gap with the candle, which I don't understand why it does that. Yeah, probably at 78. People talk, well, we'll see what happens. We'll see. We will see. All right, so here's the test right here. Here's going to be the test for the bulls. The EMAs are still trending up to the upside. The bears don't come in right here, man. They don't come in. They about to get clapped. Let's look at the ES real quick. All right, so, and this is a good thing. Like I said, the good thing about the ES has guaranteed trades. This was a guaranteed trade right here. Well, anyway, because guaranteed is a permanent. These are highly probable trades, the retest of a breaker structure. If you got in at 98, well, you didn't get 10 points, but you got close. If you got in at the top, you got 10 points. If you got in at the top, but if you got in at 98, then you didn't get your 10 points. She gave you 9. All right, so I mean they're super bullish on the ES. So if they're bullish on the ES, then they're going to be super bullish on the Nasdaq. Yep. There we go. There's that breakout. The bears failed here. We got price now tapping into their stops. We're seeing 300. We seeing 300. So Muhammad says 490, 38K calls, 492, 27. Watch these numbers. Okay, so let's actually look at that. You said 490 calls. All right, so 490. Okay, so they bought 38,000 calls at 490, and you got people wanting to buy more calls right here at 92. Okay. Yeah, they're looking to fill that gap. All right, so I'm going to take some of this off. I'm going to take some of this off for sure. I'm going to reward myself for sure. Take 3 off on this and readjust my stop. Yeah. Yeah, so the calls I got, even though for whatever reason the premium sucks, I don't know why they do, but I guess I'm just gonna wait until they get into the money because I think that's the only way I'll make money on these is once they get into the money. Because the premium, right? I mean, I know it's Friday. I know the options are damn near about dead. I get it, but I figured that with all this moving up, you would think that 580 calls would be more than $3 right now. And that's why I hate options, man. You would think they'll be more than $3. Mm. And my Nvidia calls, yeah, they suck right now too for whatever reason. I'm $2 away from it being in the money, and right now, my Nvidia calls are only worth $5, with it being $2 out of the money. Crazy, 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 crazy. When you say you can't write everything, are you talking about the no. Yeah, okay. You're talking about like the calls and stuff. No, that's fine. I thought you was gonna tell Smith something, like the story. You told him that you was gonna tell him a story. All right, man. Here we come. Here we go. Man, it's just so crazy that Nvidia is not worth more. Like that is so crazy. These calls. Mm. Damn. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Um, yeah, we definitely go through losses, man. I mean, all this week, I had to pick myself up, and I didn't allow myself to think that just because I had a bad week, that the knowledge that I have and the knowledge that I share is wrong. And if I had to sit down and reflect with myself, it wasn't anything that I said, because we was calling out the levels, we was calling out everything, but because I was in an emotional state, I was executing outside of what we spoke about. So it was my execution. And it wasn't necessarily anything that I said wrong. It's just that I wouldn't listen to myself, and I stopped being patient and waited for the setup versus jumping in. So I know we all know that Smith is a good trader. We all know he's a great trader. This is just today is just a bad day for him because he was revenge trading. The same thing I was doing this week, he was doing it today. And it just sucks because it's hard to get out of that emotional state, especially in the market, especially when you're trading. When the market is logical, it doesn't care about your emotions. It not only does the market not care about your emotions, it takes advantage of how you feel. If the market can make it look like it's going short and you feel it's going short, it will lure you in and then use you as liquidity. And that's just how ruthless the market is. It has no place for your emotions at all. But as humans, we have them. So, mm. And as I was talking about in last night's stream, it's you just got to take that deep breath and reflect and take the loss, especially with these new consistency rules, especially with MFF. I would have got a payout today if I took the loss. I mean, if anybody can learn from that, I would have gotten a payout right after the market closed. If that day, if I took the profits, and when I saw that I was in a loss, just closed that account for today or that day. And because I took that loss, I have to trade 3 extra days. So if you can't learn from that, yeah. Damn, he lost the account, Muhammad. Damn. Uh. Yeah. So Muhammad. So when you say master the options, are you talking about not the options itself, but the how do I want to say it? Like the math behind it? Is that what you mean? Or the market maker side of the options? All the ins and out of calls and puts. I'll make that a special project for this weekend. I'll make that a special project. Mm. Okay. So I'm going to put my, well, no, I'm going to leave my stop where it's at. I mean, it won't even be a real loss for real. It'll be a couple of dollars. It'll be a couple of dollars here. But, all right, guys, I got to hop into a meeting. So, try to stay safe out there. Trade safe. I highly doubt. I mean, we could see that afternoon pump if we don't see it right now, because options are about to expire or they're about to start running out of time in 2 hours. And that's something that I have noticed, Mohammed, that obviously after the premium is gone, that's when the market likes to make its move. So, and that's usually why we see reversals on the second half of the day. So the market makers can get the premium out of the options as much as possible and collect that premium. But if I sold Nvidia options like I probably should have did, honestly, I might just put money in my. So what I'm probably going to start doing is actually start selling options versus buying them, because, but we'll see what happens. Because I really don't want to focus on options and trade futures at the same time, at least not right now. Okay. Yeah, that's good to know, Mohammed. But all right, guys. I guess so. I don't think price is going to get above 380. It's highly unlikely that we see that today. The most that we probably get is 300, 325, maybe 345. 360 is a possibility. I just don't think that price is going to hold above 380. If we do see price hold above 380, then we're going to all-time highs. I mean, 380 is that middle point right now for the market. So we find support is all-time highs after that. But have a good weekend, everybody. Gameway says, yeah, it was nice talking to you too, Mohammed. Gameway says he's short, so he said be careful. He says he's short. All right, guys, stay green out there. Peace out.